This is a video walkthrough for the new Fantech Revit Tools plugin for Revit. Once you have downloaded the plugin installer and installed it on your machine, the plugin also requires an updated version of the Fans by Fantech Selection Program. You need version 5.6.0 or newer. To see which version you have installed on your machine, click Settings in the Selection Program, and your version number is noted at the bottom. If it is older than 5.6.0, click Check Updates and update as required. The Fantech Selection Program does not need to be run at the same time as Revit for the plugin to work. The Fantech Revit Tool plugin reads the Revit family files from the Selection Program install directory. Previously, in order to add Fantech products into your project, you would have to open them individually. This was often done through the Systems Mechanical Equipment option, navigating to the family files, and then selecting the appropriate product. These products only contain generic information and not job-specific information such as power and performance. This was often tedious and can sometimes lead to accidental wrong product being added to your project. Many of these issues are solved with the new Fantech Revit Tools plugin. To access, go to your Add-ins tab and click Load Fans. First time you do this, it will ask you to select a fan schedule. This is a .fanx file and is available from your sales representative. Once we open this, the plugin is loaded and details of the fan schedule are shown at the top. You can hover over each icon to show what field it relates to. We also see the fan schedule name, the folder it resides in, and a shortcut to that folder. This is useful in case you receive an updated fan schedule. If you overwrite this, you simply need to hit Reload and it will reload the folder without closing Revit or reloading. On the far right, there are 3 dots. This allows you to send feedback to Fantech in case you have any suggestions or run into any problems, check for updates, and also see what current version of the plugin you are using. The plugin also shows the designation of the fan, what the product is, and its location. Shown also is the quantity as shown on the fan schedule and details about the fan, including job-specific performance requirements and power. To load the fans into the project, simply click Load. If you're using a newer version of Revit, the product may need to be updated. This simply minimizes the plugin and can be opened again from the Task Manager. Once you have loaded in the fans as you need, simply close or minimize the plugin, navigate to the Systems tab and Mechanical Equipment. The last product that was loaded is loaded by default for placement into the project. To change which project you want to place, simply click the name and select the new product. These products have been optimized for larger projects by having varying detail levels. This is done by changing the detail level from fine to medium or coarse, and the products will show a simplified geometry. This can help speed up some large projects. To go back to the high detail, simply change your product to the fine detail. Once you have placed the fans or the products as required, you can navigate back to the plugin and it will refresh and show how many of each loaded fan has been placed in the project. This concludes the initial video overview of the new Fantech Revit Tools plugin. Thank you.